Let's talk about austerity. I don't mean in the minimalist design sense, but in the sense of belt tightening, not just to economize, but to control. At the new school where I teach, the administration has already announced tuition increases for next school year. And while we don't yet exactly know what kind of cuts will be imposed on faculty and staff, ultimately affecting students and their learning, university management has already alluded to big structural changes during our part-time faculty contract negotiations last year. And as faculty, we've already been noting for a while now the underfunding of the tools and facilities we need to do our jobs. However, we can organize to get ahead of things. Austerity as a management strategy uses scarcity as an excuse to erode the power of workers, and rather conveniently, it can also be a way to blame unions for financial situations that are the result of management missing the mark, or even having manufactured as a way to justify this austerity. Join us at the Rally Against Austerity at the New School, April 11th, 3 p.m. in the Eugene Lang courtyard.